Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Syami bin Samsudin and my matric number is B0922104142. Today I will start for my group presentation about imbalance and misalignment bearing. So let's go through to the introduction first. In introduction, I will explain about bearing, misalignment and imbalance. First, I will explain about importance of bearing in mechanical system. Bearing a critical component in mechanical system, providing smooth motion and reducing friction between moving parts. Their reliability direct impact the performance and efficiency of machinery. But bearing failure, particularly those caused by imbalance and misalignment, are common issues that can lead to machine downtime, increase maintenance costs, and reduce operational efficiency. Next, I will explain about imbalance bearing. Imbalance occurs when the mass of rotating component is unevenly distributed around each axis of rotation. This leads to centrifugal force that cause vibration, increase bearing stress, and potential machinery damage. Imbalance can arise due to manufacturing defect, wear and tear, or improper assembly. If not corrected, it can result in premature bearing failure, excessive noise, and decreased system efficiency. Lastly, I will explain about misalignment bearing. Misalignment bearing. On the other hand, refer to the improper alignment of the bearing which the shaft or housing. This issue can manifest in two primary forms: parallel misalignment and angular misalignment. Misalignment disrupts the even distribution of load of the bearing, leading to uneven wear, increased friction, and overheating. Factors contributing to misalignment include incorrect installation, thermal expansion, and structure deformation. Okay, next slide I will present about failure mode and causes of imbalance bearing. Firstly, excessive vibration for failure mode is which is imbalance creates centrifugal force during rotating, causing high vibration that can lead to fatigue and the bearing and adjustment component. Next, accelerate wear, which is uneven load distribution cause certain part of the bearing to wear faster than other. Next, overheating, which is increased friction from vibration lead to a rise in operational temperature which potentially damage the lubricant and bearing material. Okay, last for failure mode is structure fatigue, which is a prolonged exposure to imbalance induce stress and can lead to crack or deformation in the bearing housing or surrounding structure. Okay, next I will explain about causes of imbalance. The first one is uneven mass distribution occur due to manufacturing defect, machining error, or foreign material accumulation. Next, component wear, gradual material loss from the rotor or shaft alter mass distribution. Next, assembly error, misplacement or misalignment during installation. Lastly is debris accumulation. Dead oil or debris collecting on a rotating part increase mass asymmetry. Okay, next slide I will present about failure mode and causes for misalignment bearing. We have 4 failure mode and 4 causes of misalignment bearing. Firstly, localized stress, which is misalignment result is uneven stress distribution leading to deformation or cracking in the bearing material. Second, edge loading, which is load concentrate on the edge of the bearing raceway causing early failure or spalling. Next, noise and vibration. Misalignment disrupts smooth operation lead to excessive noise and vibration. And the last point for failure mode is reduced lifespan. Persistent misalignment accelerates bearing wear, reducing its operational life. Okay, next I will explain about causes of misalignment bearing. Firstly is improper installation, which is bearing or shaft not aligned correctly during setup. Next, thermal expansion, which is temperature change, causes component to expand unevenly, misaligning the shaft and bearing. Next, structure deformation, which is machine frame or housing deformation due to stress or vibration. And then lastly is bend or damage shaft, which is wear or accidental damage to the shaft effect is aligned with the bearing.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Samirul Aiman bin Muhammad Rozani. So my matrix number is B0922101198. So today I will be explain about the maintenance strategy, which is what we need to do for avoid from imbalance and misalignment bearing, which is from the assignment we need to create comprehensive report and then technique including for correcting them the role of AI activity. So right here we have three strategy that I already include, which is the first one is rebalancing technique, and then the second one is preventive measure, and then the last one is role of AI in planning and executing maintenance activity. Okay, first we start the rebalancing technique. As we know, the static balancing ensure that the component center of gravity align with its rotational axis, and when imbalance condition are caused by uneven mass distribution. For example, component with slow or stationary such as fan and pulley. And then for the preventive measure, we have regular inspection, and we perform the scheduled inspection using vibration analysis, thermal imaging, which is to detect early sign of imbalance or misalignment. So for the proper installation, we follow the manufacturer recommended procedure to install the bearing accurately. And lubrication management, which is we use the appropriate lubricant, it is correct quantity to reduce wear and misalignment issue. And then last one is training program. We provide the worker with knowledge about standard practice to handle and maintain bearing properly. Okay, we go to the last one, which is the last strategy. Role of AI in planning and executing maintenance activity. So the preventive maintenance, which is AI can analyze sensor data to predict failure due to imbalance or misalignment before they occur. And then the second one is root cause analysis, which is AI also can identify recurring pattern and correlation that might be overlooked, providing insight into underlying cause of issue. And then the last one is real-time monitoring, which is AI can integrate, which is IoT device with AI to monitor machine performance and send alert of deviation if they have a failure.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Afiq Syairi bin Rosli, and my matrix number is B0922100017, and I will continue the presentation of our assignment. So I will talk about the symptom and indicator of misalignment and imbalance of bearing. So the first one is temperature. Bearing heats up during operation. An acceptable bearing temperature may bearing is 82 degrees Celsius or lower, because a bearing reduces frictional force between rotating machine part. A failing or failed bearing leads to more friction and high operating temperature. Therefore, regular temperature testing using temperature sensor such as infrared temperature sensor is necessary. If an abnormal high temperature is detected, it is assigned to replace the bearing before it fails. Next is noises. Failing bearing can make unusual noises such as high-pitched squeaking or grinding noises. The best method of using noise to indicate bearing failure is subjective. If necessary, to pay attention to the noises of a properly functioning bearing to know when something sounds wrong. Next, I will talk about vibration. Vibration, excessive vibration from a felt bearing can be due to a number of reasons. For example, vibration can damage the raceway using the rolling element to bounce around. Slight difference between individual rolling element caused by machining error during bearing manufacturing can also cause vibration. These, there are various tools and methods to design for testing bearing vibration. If you notice abnormal vibration that has increased over time, it is typically a good indicator that the bearing should be replaced. The- Next, I will talk about the advantage of AI in identifying root cause analysis. AI-powered automated root cause analysis or RCA provide numerous advantages over traditional manual processes. By utilizing AI and machine learning, organizations can significantly reduce downtime, improve accuracy, and enhance overall system performance. The first advantage is faster incident resolution. AI can process and analyze larger database in real time, identifying the root cause of issue much faster than manual analysis. This quick identification minimizes downtime, reducing the impact of incident on operation. Next is reduction human error. Traditional RCA relies heavily on human judgment, which can lead to error or miscorrelation. AI-driven RCA eliminates this risk by using algorithm and consistency and accurately access data, leading to more reliable diagnosis. And the third one is proactive issue detection. AI-powered RCA tool can proactively identify abnormalities in system behavior before they escalate in major incident. This proactive approach helps organizations address issue earlier, preventing potential outage or service disruption. Thank you. Next, I will talk about how AI detect and analyze imbalance and misalignment. Detecting and addressing imbalance and misalignment are essential tasks in AI for both data analysis and physical system. Imbalance in data set is identified using statistical analysis and visualization with metrics like the imbalance ratio or Gini index. Physical imbalance such as uneven forces or pressure is detected through data sensor and advanced machine learning technique like autocoder. Misalignment involve discrepancies in data sequence or physical setup tackled through methods like cross correlation, dynamic time warping, computer vision, and sensor integration. Solutions for imbalance include resampling techniques and cost-sensitive algorithm, while misalignment is addressed using feedback system and supervised learning for realignment. This approach enhances system accuracy and reliability, ensuring effective AI operation across various domains. And that's all from me. The presentation is handled to my uh, group member. So thank you.
Good morning. Today I will present a step-by-step guide on how workers can use artificial intelligence tools or AI to help in the uh, maintenance of mechanical machine. The main purpose of this presentation is to ensure that this process is easy to understand and implement on site work. So before we start, let's see why AI is so useful in mechanical or machine maintenance. With AI, we can first we can identify the cause of the problem more quickly, and the second make more accurate decision based on data, and the third is save time and maintenance cost. So we straight to the procedure. The first one, the first step is to input data into the AI system. The first step is enter the data into the AI system. Uh, Here are the steps. The first one, collect data such as machine vibration using a vibration sensor. Don't forget to also record additional data such as temperature, noise, and pressure if necessary. Log in to the AI system using a computer or tablet. Make sure you use a valid user ID and password. The third, enter the collect data and into the AI software. For example, vibration data can be entered in a predefined format. Finally, click the submit button to the process data. Step 2 is analyze result from AI software. Uh, Once the data is entered, the AI system will process it and produce uh, on analytic report. All you have to do is check the report displayed by the AI software. It usually contains the cause of the problem such as bearing wear or rotor imbalance. Check the priority level of the problem. The system will give critical, medium, or minor marks to help you determine the next step. And the third, download this report for further reference or print if required. And step 3, make decision based on AI recommendation. The third step is to make a decision based on the recommendation provided by the AI system. Here how to do it. The first one, review action recommendation from AI. For example, it may suggest bearing replacement or component alignment, realignment. The second one, determine the priority of action. Critical problem must be addressed immediately, while moderate problem can be scheduled for future maintenance. The third is implement action by organizing the technical team. Make sure all the safety measures are allowed. Uh, four, finally, update the maintenance record and attach the AI report for reference. And with this guide, we can use AI tools more efficiently and ensure our machine are always in optimal condition. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Alif and I am going to present about the illustration and picture. First is the picture of imbalance, which shows the rotating shaft with an unbalanced wave. Imbalance happens when the center of the mass rotating component does not coincide with the axis rotation. This causes an uneven distribution of mass, causing increased vibration and stress on the bearings. The second is the picture of misalignment. The picture shows two shafts connected with a coupling if the shafts are not aligned. Misalignment happens when the axes of two rotating components, such as shafts connected by a coupling, are not aligned perfectly. This can cause to an angular misalignment, which is the shafts are not parallel, and the other ones, a parallel misalignment. The shafts are parallel but not in the same place. The third is the effect of imbalance and misalignment on bearing. The picture shows the bearing with wear and tear because of imbalance and misalignment, which it has three effects. The first is increased vibration. Both imbalance and misalignment can cause increased vibration, which can cause premature wear and tear of the bearings. The second is uneven load distribution. Misalignment can cause uneven load distribution on the bearing, causing localized wear and potential failure. And the last is noise and heat generation. Excessive vibration and friction can generate noise and heat, causing more damage to the bearings. Next is the maintenance activity. The maintenance activity has four points. The first is the regular inspection. Regular inspection of bearings can help to identify and detect signs of imbalance or misalignment early on. The second is vibration analysis. Vibration analysis can help detect and diagnose imbalance and misalignment issue. Third is alignment check. Periodic alignment check on rotating components can help prevent misalignment problem. The fourth is bearing replacement. If bearings are damaged because of imbalance or misalignment, it may need to be replaced as soon as possible. The next is the visualization from AI tools. The picture shows the visualization of a rotating shaft with imbalance. AI tools could be used to make simulation and visualization of imbalance and misalignment, which can help to make us understand better their effects on machinery.
My name is Muhammad Firdaus and I'm going to continue to the next part, which is conclusion. In conclusion, artificial intelligence offers significant benefits for maintenance, particularly in addressing issues like imbalance and misalignment in bearings. AI enhances predictive maintenance by using sensor data to make accurate prediction about potential failures, enabling timely interventions and reducing unplanned downtime by up to 35%. It also optimizes performance by considering factors such as load, speed, and lubrication, which improve efficiency and extend bearing life. Additionally, AI advanced pattern recognition capabilities enhance condition monitoring by identifying anomalies that may not be detected by human operators. By minimizing downtime and prioritizing tasks through real-time data analysis, AI improves overall operational efficiency, equipment effectiveness. Moreover, AI fosters a culture of continuous improvement as its predictive capabilities evolve over time through interactive learning, allowing organizations to adapt their maintenance strategies effectively. This advancement highlight the transformative potential of AI in maintenance, driving cost reductions, efficiency gains, and sustained organizational growth. And for the last part of our presentation, which is recommendation, for the first one is invest AI technologies to support predictive maintenance, which is and organizations should allocate resources of AI technologies that enable predictive maintenance applications. It is to ensuring maximum utilization of their benefits. For the second point is train maintenance team in AI tools data analysis method, which is maintenance teams must be trained in using AI tools and data analysis techniques to effectively implement and manage AI driven solutions. And for the last point, which is establish continuous monitoring and adapt maintenance strategies based on AI driven insights, which is we have to establish a system for ongoing monitoring and adaptation of maintenance strategies based on insights provided by AI to enhance reliability and efficiency. That's all from our group. Thank you.